It's an oxygen first. You're what the girls at the top of the auditions think about season 12. Allison, I'm not a fan. You're so weird. And get your laptops and cell phones ready because for the first time
Get it.
ever, we're putting
Get it.
on the air.
I get it. That's like, I get it.
When you're on treatment for rheumatoid arthritis, everyday things can still be tough to handle. Can you open this?
Get it.
Pull this? Grasp
Get
this? Oh, that's What about you? If you think your treatment is not good enough, ask your rheumatologist about Orencia. It's an RA treatment that's proven to make a difference for many patients, including those who aren't happy enough with other treatments, relieving the symptoms of RA and controlling the advances.
What are you doing?
Do not take Orencia with another biologic medicine for RA due to an increased risk of serious infection. Orencia can cause serious side effects, including serious infection, certain cancers of the liver, tell your doctor if you are prone to or have any infection like an open sore or the flu. If you have a history of COPD or chronic lung disease, Orencia may worsen your COPD. Tell your doctor about the challenges you face every day with RA. Ask for Orencia and see if you could be saying, oh yes I can. FTD's network of 45,000 florists around the world have been creating beautiful arrangements for almost 100 years. Each arrangement is specially crafted, delivered the same day, and backed by FTD's 7-day satisfaction guarantee. For nearly a century, people have trusted their most important occasions to the flower experts at FTD. So whether you're sending flowers around a corner or around the world, visit us at ftd.com. Dogs do a lot of things to get in trouble. But there's nothing dogs do to deserve the punishment of going through treatment for deadly heartworm disease. Weeks of confinement with little human interaction. Multiple, painful, expensive, arsenic-based injections. And even then, your